kapamilya star na si
This award
Vice Ganda.
is given for the fifth time in a row to Vice Ganda.
Present to our host, Philippines, Vice Ganda, everybody's
Superstar, Your Majesty, Vice!
His undisputed, unkaboggable, phenomenal superstar.
So guys, I'm here with Vice Ganda, the iconic meme Vice Ganda, and I'm here to ask her 10 questions all about her life, her success, and achievements. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Meme Vice!
Ba't mo ko binibidyoan? Sure! So, hi everyone! Hi sa mga fanatis ni Janelo. So, you're here with your Meme Vice Ganda. And ngayon, katulad na sabi na kanina, mag-i-interview kami ng mga questions. So, ano kayang question na itatanong niya sa akin for today?
So Meme Vice, for our first question, you rarely reveal your age on national TV, but let's settle this once and for all. So for my first question to you, what's your full name, your birthday, and how do you feel about aging in showbiz?
Okay, so my name is Ivana Alawi, 18 years of age. Kame! So, totoo na to. Okay, so my real name is Jose Maria Borja Becerral, and I was born on March 31, 1976. So yes, you can do the math. Aging in showbiz is an interesting journey. There's always pressure to look young, fresh, and full of energy because entertainment is a fast-paced industry that values youth. But instead of fearing aging, I embrace it. Every year rather, I became wiser, stronger, and more appreciative of everything I've achieved. I realized that the most important thing is not how you look young. It's about how you continue to inspire and connect people. So I welcome aging with open arms because for me, growth and wisdom are priceless.
Ah. Okay. So growing up in Tondo, Manila, what was your childhood like? Like, what struggles did your family face, or what challenges did you face growing up, and how did those experiences shape you in becoming the Vice Ganda today?
Okay, so growing up in Tondo, Manila was like living in a world full of color, energy, and challenges. It was a tough environment where you had to be strong to survive. My father was a barangay captain, so yes, tanggap niya ka kahit isa siyang barangay captain. And my mother worked hard to provide for us. We weren't rich, but we had enough, and our family was filled with laugh and laughter. Medyo nahihiyak lang ako kasi pag pinag-uusapan talaga to eh. Kasi everything changed when my father was killed in front of me. Things turned our world upside down, and suddenly life became even harder. We had to struggle to make ends meet, and I witnessed my mother's sacrifices to keep us afloat. Kaya ang hirap talaga. And however, it taught me to be resilient, to have courage and ability to find humor in pain. That's why today, I use my laughter as my shield because I know what's like to struggle and I want to give people hope through my comedy.
Oh, okay. So, question, before you become a comedian, you pursued college, di ba? Sabi mo, na-share mo sa amin dati yun. So, what course did you take? And did you ever imagine yourself in a different career path?
Gusto ko talagang mag-law. So, I took up political science at Far Eastern University. Yes, FEU student ako because I was interested in law and politics. At one point, I imagined myself becoming a lawyer, maybe fighting for justice, but faith and life had other plans for me. And I realized that I could make an impact in a different way, through entertainment. Kaya nga ngayon, di ba, ako si Vice Ganda.
You took a degree on political science, pero hindi mo lang pala siya tinuloy. So, okay, that question is actually related to our next question. So, you were once a student, just like many of your fans. So, were you active in school clubs or in school activities? And did they help you spark your love for performing or for entertainment?
Ay, performer ako, tas dancer ako nung student pa ako. I love joining different school activities. I was always the life of the classroom, making my classmates laugh. Ako yung source of joy na classroom namin. I even joined beauty pageant and speech contests, which I believe helped me build my confidence.
Ah, okay. So, comedy was your superpower, di ba? But when did you first realize you had the gift of making people laugh? Was there a specific time or specific moment na nalaman mo na, ay, eto, magiging comedian na ako nito?
I think I was born funny talaga. Kasi alam mo nung when I started my career, when I started performing in comedy bars like Punchline and The Library, there was one time when I told a joke and then the entire crowd exploded with laughter. It was an overwhelming feeling, like parang it's so magical ability to make people forget their worries. And dun ko nalaman na, ito na to, purpose ko na to. Because this is my purpose, this is where I think I belong.
So, what was the one big break that changed everything for you? Looking back, how did you feel it to finally be recognized and seen by a lot of people? Kasi di ba marami nag-idolize sa'yo. So, what is that one big break that changed your life forever?
Becoming a judge on Showtime was my turning point. Suddenly, I wasn't just a comedy bar performer. I was in a millions of Filipino homes, sa mga TV nila. It feels surreal, like a dream, but I knew I had to work even harder to prove that I deserve this spot.
So you have a lot of projects in ABS-CBN, di ba? Kasi like for almost a decade working in ABS-CBN, marami ka na nagawang projects. So your movies, TV shows, and concerts have set records. Among all of your projects, which one is closest to your heart and why?
Ay! Yung Daan Kabogabal Private Benjamin, that will always have a special place in my heart because it made history as one of the highest grossing Filipino films. But, alam mo, yung Gandang Gabi Vice is also close to my heart because it allowed me to connect with guests and fans in a personal way. Itong dalawa talaga to, pasabog talaga to eh. Like, OMG, napasabi na lang ko na, thank you Lord for having this moment.
Oh, okay. So, marami ka na nagawang projects and for sure, marami ka na rin naset na record at marami ka na rin awards na nakuha. So, you've won countless awards, right? From hosting and to film. So, is there any award that meant for you the most and why?
I think that would be yung nung nanalo ako ng Best Entertainment Host at the Asian Academy Creative Awards in 2021. That meant a lot because it was an international recognition. It proved that Filipino talent can shine globally, and it made me so proud to represent the Philippines.
Oh, that's nice. So many people say you changed the comedy on national TV. So what do you think makes your comedic style so powerful and different from all of the other comedians here in our country?
I think it's because my comedy is honest and fearless. It don't just tell random jokes, it talk about real struggles, real emotions, and real life experiences. Comedy for me ay hindi lang pagpapatawa. It's about making them feel seen, reminding them that they're not alone in their struggles. That's why my comedy resonates with so many people. It's relatable, bold, and full of heart.
Oh, so people call you as Meme Vice or Meme. Yung parang yun yung naging nickname mo sa masa natin. And they see you as a mother figure in the LGBTQIA+ community. So, how does it feel to be that symbol? And what legacy do you want to leave?
Sobrang thankful talaga ako sa mga anak Shiwariwaps ko. It's an honor to be called Meme by so many people, but more than that, it's also a responsibility. I want LGBTQ+ persons to know that they are valid, beautiful, and capable of achieving great things. Kaya ako ang kanilang ina-inahan. Pagdating naman sa aking legacy, I want to be remembered as someone who broke barriers through love, laughter, and courage. I want to show the world that being true to yourself is the most powerful thing you can do. Kaya mga anak Shiwariwaps ko, ang inyong meme, si Vice Ganda.
Wow! You're indeed Vice Ganda. Nag-iisa lang talaga ang Vice Ganda dito sa Philippines, and ABS-CBN is surely lucky na merong Vice Ganda sa network nila. So congratulations Vice on the achievements sa buhay, and I hope makuha mo pa lahat na achievements na gusto mo and magkaroon ka pa ng mahaba at masayang buhay sa mga susunod pa.